The year is 1972. Five ambitious minds, Dietmar Hopp, Hasso Plattner, Klaus Wellenreuther, Klaus Tschira, and Hans-Werner Hector, all former employees of IBM, gather with a shared vision. They dream of a software solution unlike any other, one that can revolutionize how businesses operate. Their vision, a single, integrated system that manages all aspects of a company in real time. Imagine, software that can handle everything from finances to inventory, all connected and accessible instantly. This will transform how businesses function, making them more efficient and adaptable. They call their company Systemanalyse Programmentwicklung, or SAP for short. Their first product, a financial accounting system named RF, is launched in 1973. This modular system, designed for customization, lays the foundation for their future success. But SAP's secret weapon isn't just the technology. They believe in building strong relationships with their clients. By understanding the specific needs of each company, they continuously refine their software to be more practical and user-friendly. As years pass, SAP releases new versions like R1 and R2, expanding their suite of applications. Then, in 1992, a game-changer arrives, SAP R3. This comprehensive ERP system offers a unified platform for managing all core business functions, solidifying SAP's position as a global leader. From its German roots, SAP embarks on a journey of international expansion, adapting its solutions to diverse markets. Today, SAP's software empowers businesses of all sizes across the globe, a testament to the vision and dedication of its founders and the continuous pursuit of innovation.